At Sennheiser, we live by the vision of shaping today, the audio world of tomorrow. For us, the customer is the center of everything, always. For more than 75 years now, we have been designing sound that people can not only hear but also feel. And that is how we get audiences to hear the differences. So when SBI Bhopal reached out to us, we approached the situation in the same manner. When SBI Bhopal approached us, they told us that they wanted an audio system that had high intelligibility and could make sound audible in their conference rooms, which were not conducive to transmitting sound during conferences. They also emphasized the need for an audio solution which could be easily upgraded as well. Besides the functionality aspect, they also wanted something that doesn't end up cluttering the office environment with wires, something that doesn't clash with the workspace aesthetics. So we realized that to suggest an audio solution that caters to their needs, we must first evaluate the office premises, the conference room, etc. to get a lay of the land. And that really did help us understand what would or would not work considering the infrastructure, the aesthetics of the office and so on. While interacting with the client, we also got to know that the primary issue for them was the recurring intelligibility problem in the central boardroom. A lot of these video and audio conferences organized in the boardroom had external participants. They also conveyed to us that they required a touch-free solution considering the pandemic. At Sennheiser, we are aware that hygiene and employee safety is paramount, especially at a time like this. So we kept in mind the various criteria that the solution needed to meet. After carefully going through our product portfolio, considering SBI's requirements, we recommended the TeamConnect ceiling microphone system. We installed it in a 40-seater capacity hall. To give you an overview, it is a ceiling microphone which comes with patented automatic beamforming technology, through which messages are clearly transmitted to external meeting participants from anywhere in the meeting room. Initially, the TeamConnect ceiling did not cooperate with the Zoom video conference system, and that was anticipated. And that's because both systems have individual noise suppression systems, so our technicians resolved that by making certain adjustments according to the local conditions. One of the highlights of the TeamConnect ceiling is that it has 28 individual omnidirectional microphone capsules. These capsules are equipped with the ability to align with the loudest person speaking at a time, even following them around the room and making everyone audible. No matter where I stand in the room, the mic captures sound equally efficiently, retaining the clarity and loudness. So, if you were presenting during a meeting, while walking around the boardroom, you would not have to worry about not being close enough to the microphone. It also suppresses the background noise. What makes TeamConnect ceiling hygiene friendly is that being mounted to the ceiling, it doesn't require constant cleaning unlike table microphones. Additionally, one doesn't need to make constant adjustments, which allows participants to practice social distancing. I would also like to mention that its design makes it aesthetically appealing and touch-free. To sum it up, we were able to provide a customized audio solution that addressed all their concerns. With technology, design and customization, Sennheiser continues to shape the future of audio. So whether it is wireless microphone or wired microphones, monitoring systems, headsets for offices, or 3D audio technology, we are always innovating. And that's what we aspire to do every day, set new standards in audio experiences with groundbreaking products.